Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my bullet journal set up for the month of January for you, and I started off this month with a cover page, and because so many of you commented on my line drawing in my last video, I decided to do a time lapse of me doing the same design for my January cover page. It's super easy, as you can see, and you just need a super fine liner in black or any other color that you like, and just doodle some different line drawings of flowers and leaves, and just keep the spaces blank of the word that you want to scribble down. It's super easy, and I think it looks really nice. So now let's move on to my monthly overview. I opted for the same layout as I always do, and first I started with the swoosh of color on both pages actually. I will link all my pencils and pens that I used down below. And then I just wrote down January in the same font that I used for my all-over setup in this journal. And as you can see, I stick to the whole look that I kind of started when I started up this journal. And the two different colors at the bottom are for my private matters and for work stuff. And on the next page, I did a memory spread. I haven't done this in a really long time, and I decided to do it again because I moved all of my gratitude journaling and my general journaling to a separate journal. So next up is my habit tracker, and I decided to do a circular one. I have done one of these in late June, I guess, last year, and a lot of you really liked it, and I will also have a full tutorial for this in my upcoming book. If you didn't know already, I wrote a book about journaling, and it will be out at the beginning of March this year. I can't wait. I will link the pre-order link in the first line in the description. And on the next page, I moved on to my sleep log, and you will see I messed up this one a little bit, but guys, that's it. I mean, I make mistakes as well, and I always love to keep those in these videos because then I can show you how you can fix them. So as you can see here, I opted for this swoosh of color again, and those numbers didn't work out at all because sometimes I sleep longer than 8. So I just grabbed a black pencil or a black Tombow Dual brush pen, and then I went over it with a white gel pen. And this is a really nice hack. You can also use metallic colors, that works as well. And because I just started this whole layout on the 10th of January, I didn't have to write down all of the dates, so I had blank space at the bottom of the page as well, and then I did some sleep notes there. Moving on to the next page, there is some blank space as well, and I was wondering if any one of you would be up for a live stream so we could do our weekly spreads together. And on the next page is already a daily spread, and I didn't have any time to do my setup in the beginning of the year, so I just moved on and did those dailies, and I really liked them. I like the overall look. It's a little bit more minimalistic than I did it before, and I really like those circular dots for my water intake. Last year I always did those drops that look like real water drops, but they were always so uneven, and I really hated it in the end because it looked really messy at some point, and I really like this. And yeah, that's all that I can show you for now, and I really love how my bullet journal is a super sleek, even look, and everything is tied in really well together. So let's flip through again. And you can also see my year in pixels spread here, and I can't wait to see it all filled out in the end of the year. And those pages here always really come to life after the month is over, but I still really love the look of the habit tracker, and I think I could also maybe do some line drawings of some plants here. And then yeah, the blank space for our upcoming live stream maybe. Let me know in the comments below. And some flexible dailies with some different spreads and modules and boxes, and also some other dailies. Yeah, and that's it. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, leave me a comment, and I can't wait to see you guys very soon in another video. Bye bye.